Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Store acquiring license error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab and then go to the date and time tab. And then make sure that these three switches are on. Click on sync now. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So press Windows plus R. Type the command ws reset and hit enter to reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The last solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now, how would you do that? So, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab, scroll down to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, let it run, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.